Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new, my name is Anna Gotzik and this is my lifestyle channel where I post vlogs, unboxings, shopping hauls and so much more. And today I have some special orange boxes to open with you. As you can see, I have one big and one smaller. These are two boxes from Hermes and I'm pretty excited. I love this brand and I have huge respect for this brand, for the fact that they really stick to their core values, for their authenticity. Anyway, if you are interested to know what I have in these boxes, watch till the end of this video and I'm going to show you everything. I really hope that you don't mind that I have my videos evolving in a natural way, showing you a little parts of my day and not just opening a parcel and that's it, because I really want you to feel how my life is going, what I do during my days, and as a part of my days I show you some of the things that I love, some of the parcels that I open, and I think this is more natural and it's a better way to get to know each other. Orange boxes from Hermes are one of our wedding presents that we were lucky to receive with my husband on our wedding day in September, and I decided that it's going to be interesting for me to open them here for you and to show you what we got. These are things that I really treasure and I love presents like this. I think they are amazing to keep for the whole of your life and to use them when you really want to feel special, when you want to celebrate some special days. And the reason why I remembered about these boxes right now is because we are currently in the middle of winter. We are in the darkest, in the moodiest, cloudiest days, and lots of us don't have anything cheerful or really exciting happening at the moment. And it's very important to have some little things that are going to boost your mood and really make your day, and this is exactly a kind of thing that can really make your day. So let's open the big box first and then the small one. So these presents really are connected. Let's start. I also had a big ribbon around this box, of course, but I don't know where that ribbon is at the moment. So inside of the box you have an amazingly beautiful tea set. So I'm going to remove this protection. Here is the way it looks. So I have two cups with some little, how do you call this, little plates on which you put the teacups. I have already used these cups on some special occasions that we had this autumn and winter. We used it during our Christmas celebration and our birthday celebrations, and I think these look absolutely wonderful. This set has a special name. It is written on the back of all of the pieces. It is called Balcon du Guadalquivir. I really hope that I read it right. This is a porcelain set. The porcelain is really thin. It is wonderful quality. I really love the set, and I'm going to open the little box as well for you. Here, take off the ribbon. Okay, so here we have some plates for dessert. This is a set of two, so there is like a thing to protect the plate. Here we go. These are two wonderful, beautiful plates for desserts. On the back there is a name. There is a name of the set as well. On each plate it is written Balcon du Guadalquivir, Hermès, made in France. These are very, very beautiful, really special pieces that I really love to get out when I feel that I want to have a special day, when I want to have a day of celebration, when I want to boost my mood and really make the day. And these things have this power of making your day. Preparing like a cup of tea or any kind of drink in a nice cup changes my mood. Really, it does magic, and I really recommend it to everyone. Get a special cup for yourself, get a cup that you really love, prepare a drink that is going to make you feel happy, and you will see the results. It's going to be amazing. And if you love reading like I do, take a book that you enjoy reading at that moment, light a candle, and take your drink in your special cup, and you're going to feel so much better. You're going to feel like a new person, really. And another tip is really doing all of this after you have a walk outside and you breathe some fresh air. And you come home, you take a shower using your favorite shower gel, smelling amazing. And then you put on some body mist or a little bit of perfume that you love. Prepare your drink in your special cup, get your book, get your candle. This is the moment of self-care which really makes you feel better, and I really recommend it. On winter days, there is not a lot that we can do for ourselves to make us happy and more joyful. And I also wanted to mention what an adventure it was to bring all of this back to our home, because our wedding was in France, basically like on the French Riviera, and we live in Kiev. Our apartment isn't here, and we were driving from our wedding back home, and we had all of our things packed in the car. But these things were so precious, I didn't want to break them, and I had to pack them like so securely in order to be sure that nothing is damaged. And I was putting additional security here, some t-shirts on top in order to make it all soft around these precious plates and cups. And luckily everything arrived home safely, nothing was damaged. And these are other nice memories connected to this tea set. If you're interested in our European trip and our honeymoon, I had videos about it on my channel, and I'm also planning to have new videos about our wedding as soon as I have the material from our videographer who we had filming during our wedding day. I really can't wait to share those with you. Well, I think right now is the moment for me to get a drink for myself as well and to finish my work for today. And I'm going to continue the book that I started yesterday. I want to share with you the book that I'm reading. In the recent 2 months, I really felt how much I enjoy reading. Reading really makes me feel relaxed and makes me forget all the things that I need to deal with, because when I watch a TV show or a movie, I don't forget about the world. Everything that I have in my head is still there, but when I'm inside of the interesting book, I forget about everything and I really relax. And during the Christmas holidays, I was quite into reading romantic Christmassy books. I have already told you in the other videos that I read Fairy Tale of New York by Miranda Dickinson. This one I would say is 4 out of 5. Then I read, the other one that I read was this one I loved very much. It is called The Night Before Christmas by Scarlett Bailey. Also by Scarlett Bailey I read Santa Maybe. This is a nice and cute and romantic kind of fantasy. This is really not a long book. It is a quick read and it is great for Christmas holidays. I read it during our holiday break and I really enjoyed it. I also read Christmas in St. Eve by Miranda Dickinson, a really short Christmassy book, amazing. And now I started something not so Christmassy, but I think it's going to be nice to read during cold winter days. This one is called The Secret History by Donna Tartt. If you know this genre, it's called The Dark Academy, when you are in the halls of an old university and everything is dark and the outside is autumn or winter, and it's mysterious and interesting and catchy. And well, there is a special atmosphere about this book and about this genre generally. And I just started it, but I think it's good for a change. We'll see how it goes. Maybe I will get too bored with time, because this book is really a long one. It is 800 pages on the iPad in a normal font. I really hope that you liked today's unboxing. I really feel the need to share all of the things that I love and all of the things that inspire me. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to like this video. I'm going to get on with my day, and I hope that you're all having a cozy, nice winter days. And I will see you very soon during another video and another cozy vlog.